Are you looking for a keyboard that looks a little bit different than the rest on the market and doesn't have all the RGB exactly the same as near enough every other keyboard on the market? Well, this keyboard could be the keyboard for you. It's got a bit more of a retro look to it and it sounds pretty good as well. Where can you go and meet hundreds of people just like you, strengthen existing relationships and forge new ones with vendors and distributors, and meet some of the biggest names in the industry, where you can go and see the newest tech and services that you need to make your IT business grow. And there'll be thousands of pounds worth of prizes up for grabs. Then what's more, you'll get that for a quid. TFT Max 2023 will be on the 23rd of June at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. This event will be over 4 times larger than last year's event, and this year's event will incorporate a live tech awards, dedicated meeting rooms, demo and interactive areas, and up to 800 other techs just like you. Get registered now at tftmax.com. First, let's talk about the packaging. The box is straightforward with a picture of the keyboard on the front, so you know exactly what you're getting. It's labelled as a wireless mechanical keyboard, and it has logos for Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, indicating multiple connection options. On the back of the box, it's multilingual with only one line of text in English. On the side, there is a sticker that shows the type of switches you have, in our case, dark crystal silent red switches. Inside the outer box, there is another box that basically says thank you for buying written on it. Inside that, you'll find a keyboard wrapped in plastic with a plastic tray to protect the keys, along with a key and switch remover, 3 extra keycaps, a 1.5 meter long USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable for charging it or using it via the cable, a male USB-C to a male USB-A adapter, as well as a manual. It would have been nice for the manual to be on the actual product box, as in using a QR code, so you can basically scan that, you've got all the information you need, and it also reduces paper waste. The bottom of the keyboard features 4 non-slip feet, 1 on each corner, and 2 two-step feet that also have anti-slip pads. There's also a sliding door on the bottom where the Wi-Fi receiver is located, perfect for keeping safe during transit. On the back, you'll find an on and off switch and a USB Type-C connection for charging or using the keyboard wired. According to the manufacturer, the keyboard can last up to a single year on a single charge, depending on if you're using the USB receiver or Bluetooth. The keyboard allows you to switch between connection modes easily by pressing the function key in either Q, W, E, or R. The design of the keyboard is similar to retro 1980s or 1990s keyboard like the Commodore Amiga, but with a modern twist. Instead of a dirty cream and brown colour scheme, this keyboard has a white base with light and dark blue highlights. The keyboard has a lot of great features such as the triple connection modes, the latest Bluetooth version 5 connectivity, and an 87 key, 10 keyless layout, which basically means you haven't got the number pad on the side, which makes it more portable or just basically a lot more neater if you just don't use those keys. It also has custom developed high performance mechanical switches and a full key hot swappable design with no backlight. The cherry profile PBT keycaps are durable and wear resistant, and the keyboard has a no conflict full key design. The keyboard comes with Grattan red brown, silver, or silent red switch options and has a polling rate of 1000 Hz. Its battery life can last up to 360 days. The keyboard works with the ZEUS software, allowing users to customize and create macro commands. The keyboard's hot swappable PCB design enables full customization, so you can change switches to your liking or upgrade them as needed. The K620W has a large capacity battery that takes about 3 hours to charge fully. Once charged, it offers up to 360 days of battery life, depending on your usage and connection method. So in this clip we're doing a sound test. We've got the microphone exactly 20 centimeters away from the top line of keys. The audio will sound slightly different in this clip because obviously I'm further away from the microphone, and this is totally unedited, so you can actually hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to start off with the standard keys. The enter key, the space bar in the middle, on the right, on the left, control, shift, caps, tab, escape, arrow keys, and the standard word. Or at least a sentence anyway. And this is what it sounds like in comparison to a generic keyboard that most people would have at home. Overall, the K620W is an excellent wireless mechanical keyboard with a lot of great features and customization options. Its compact design, triple connection modes and impressive battery life make it an attractive option for anyone looking for high quality. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.